Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to add roles in Discord so you can organize your server members and manage permissions easily. Step 1. Open your Discord server and go to Server Settings by clicking the server name in the top left corner on desktop, or tapping the server name and opening Settings on mobile. This area controls everything related to your server. Step 2. Click on Roles from the left sidebar inside Server Settings, because this is where all existing roles are listed and where new roles can be created and managed. Step 3. Create a new role by clicking the plus icon or the Create Role button, which allows you to set up a brand new role for members, moderators, or special groups. Step 4. Enter a role name and choose a color, so the role is easy to recognize in chats and member lists, helping users quickly understand who has which role. Step 5. Scroll down to the Permissions section and choose what members with this role are allowed to do, such as sending messages, managing channels, or moderating members. Step 6. Click Save Changes to apply the role settings, making sure everything you selected is active and ready to use on your server. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.